fans. It is definitely I, LinkedIn124. Today, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to marinate the Shiskabobs with my house recipe. First off, we're going to be grabbing some garlic chili salt and smoked salt. First thing, we're going to put in a little bit into our tumper. Good. Now we're going to put in a little bit of the garlic salt. We're going to crush it. To a pulp. Now it's good. Now we put it into the onion that I already pre-cut because I don't want to see you to see me flopping around cutting the onion. So put the salt to the side. Good. Now next step. I put the onion in the meat, which I also took the liberty of pre-cutting. Okay, now put this in. Now we take the four peppercorn blend and put some in the wrong side. And then we put some coriander seeds because it's more fun. Now put it back up or not. Now I crush them all up. Feels so good to crush stuff, doesn't it? It makes me feel happy and also makes me strong. Where are the crushed stuff? Right there. Come on, crush it. I think this is good enough. I'll mix that in later. Now we gotta put in some Kelvin's grass, and some smoked paprika, which I really love. Too much? Well, that's okay. Good enough. Now I am going to mix it with my hands. Try not to get any on your skin if you have any cuts, because normally you're supposed to do this with lemon juice, which hurts a lot. And also the onion also hurts. Traditionally you're supposed to wear goggles, but I don't need to for unspecified reasons. Blink. Good enough. Now on to the final step, putting in some sparkling water. I got a little bit on myself there. That could be dangerous. Okay, now that's freshly carbonated. I did so myself. Okay, now to pour it into the thing. The reason you need carbonated water is so that you can put all the spices and onion inside of the meat to have more flavor. Okay, this has been definitely LinkedIn124 in marinating, how to marinate a shish kebab. I'll show you in part 4 and part 2 on how to cook it in the fire. Bye.